What's up guys, Lucas here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing from the cubicle.us. Okay, so what I ordered is a Chi Ivy Cube, a Moyu Redi Cube, and the premium lube sampler, which comes with 3 of the Cubicle's best lube, and a stand. So let's get into the lube first, so we can just get that out of the way. So this stuff comes with Lubical 1, Lubical Silk, and D&M 37. I'm really excited for all of these because I haven't had an actual lube since my Rubik's branded Cube lube. I don't know what it was. It was pretty bad. So now we're going to get into the Redi Cube. And then we will go to the Ivy Cube. Ooh, that looks really nice. I got it in stickerless and first turn. Ooh, I like that. Really like that. It's going to be a really fun cube to solve. Oh yeah, and this cube was also designed by Oscar Van Deventer. Look at his face, it's majestic. Okay, now we'll get on to the Chi Ivy Cube. Another puzzle that I'm really excited for. Pamphlet. And they both come in a nice little plastic wrap, which is good for the cube so that it doesn't get dust on it. And first turn, so oh yeah. These are both really good cubes. Oh, can hear a little bit of springy noise in that one. But yeah, really excited to try to figure these out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.